This video shows how to buy shares of Sandvik AB, ticker SAND.ST, listed on CBOE EU. Sandvik is a global engineering group focused on mining, rock excavation, metal cutting, and materials technology. And this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by providing an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Open the platform search and type the ticker SAND.ST to find the Sandvik AB listing. Select the matching CBOE EU entry to make sure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is Sandvik AB. Check market data and company details to verify you selected the right listing. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or pending, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can complete. Once executed or scheduled, your Sandvik position will appear in the portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description below.